Hey, it's Jane here from our recipe tree, and I am in the kitchen doing some holiday baking. So I'm trying a new recipe, and it's apple pie cookies. So I am just making the filling. I had some Honeycrisp apples. So the filling, you just basically, you just simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes to get the apples soft. And then let it cool. So the ingredients in the filling is 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of apples, it's about 2 apples, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and then to this, once it simmers for 5 to 10 minutes, we add a tablespoon of cornstarch in cool water, just to thicken it, so that you just thicken it for like 30 to 60 seconds, just simmering. The apples are still kind of firm but soft, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this thickening agent. It doesn't look like it needs it, but because it's the first time I've done this recipe, I'm gonna add it. So maybe it needs to be super thick. So this you just do for 30 to 60 seconds and let the mixture get thicken just a bit. And then you take it off the stove and let it cool. That looks yummy. So the next step is to get your dry ingredients all mixed up. So in this bowl, I have 2 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So then once you've got that set aside, we are going to cream up 1 cup of butter and 1/2 cup of brown sugar packed. So I'm gonna get this nice and smooth and creamy, and then I will add the next wet ingredients. Okay, I got this nice and creamy. So to that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, and it's 1 large egg plus 1 egg yolk. So I got that, 1 large egg and 1 extra egg yolk. So again, I'm gonna make this nice and creamy. So they said it's okay if it looks a little grainy, just add in your dry ingredients and just fold it until it's just mixed. Okay, this makes it literally like a dough. So to this, we're gonna make balls and roll it in sugar. So for your cookie, you're gonna take a nice healthy ball of dough. So take your cookie scooper and like really fill it. I kind of overfill it. Make a nice ball. Don't muck with it too much. Throw it in that sugar. You take about 3 balls. So you put 3 balls in there and give them a good shake around. Round and round so it covers the whole thing. And then you put them on your cookie sheet. I'm putting more than they say. They said like 6 cookies, but I got big cookie sheets. And then I have a 1 teaspoon, because you're supposed to put about 1 teaspoon of the sauce in there, of the apple sauce, apple whatever. Filling. So you just scoot those down. And then you go back once your thing's all full, and you put a scoop of about a teaspoon of the apple mixture in there. It looks yummy. It's like a caramel apple inside of there. Okay, these are going into a 350 oven for 10 to 12 minutes.
It looks good.
What's the texture?
Very nice. Tastes like an apple pie.
Wait.
Our recipe tree, it's easy and true.